Did you know more people than ever before are shopping online? Right now, right this second, somebody is clicking and buying. In fact, online shopping sales are up by 31% and online traffic is up by 73%, which means there's never been a better time before in the history of the internet where so much money is being spent online. Now imagine if you could get in front of that money being spent online. Imagine if you could take your slice of the over $800 billion shopping pie. The good news? You can! And now it's easier than you ever thought possible. Introducing Wave, the world's fastest, easiest, and most powerful 3-click automated store builder. It lets you launch a fully functioning store in just 60 seconds flat. And also lets you send free traffic to the store from 100 traffic sources directly from within the app at the push of a button. Here's how it works. Step 1. Purchase. Grab a copy before the price increases. Step 2. Select. Log in and select a niche to instantly launch a store. Step 3. Activate. Click Go to blast your store to 100 sources for free buyer traffic in 60 seconds or less. There's no video creation, no ranking, no paid traffic, no complicated setup. Any average Joe or Jane can get results with Wave. It's literally as easy as clicking a few buttons. So, what is this going to cost you? $97 a month would be a steal, right? But of course, you aren't going to pay $97 a month. You aren't even going to pay $67 a month. No, not even $47 a month. In fact, you're not going to pay monthly at all. When you act right now during the introductory period, you can get in for a tiny one-time investment, literally less than the price of a sizzling hot pizza. But that's not all. When you act right now, you'll also get 5 brand new bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see the details below. These bonuses have never been offered before and are not available anywhere else, but you get them absolutely free. And to make this a no-brainer for you, we're totally removing all the risk for you with our 180-day money-back guarantee. And to totally blow your mind, when you act now, you also get our Get Results or Get Paid $100 money-back guarantee. If for some reason you don't get results with Wave, just let us know what you tried, and not only will we send you your money back, we will also send you $100. But hurry, act fast because the price goes up every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more. So, if you want to tap into the $800 billion online shopping craze and claim your slice of the pie, then click the Add to Cart button below right now to lock in your fast action discount and get instant access to Wave at an affordable one-time price. So hurry, click the Add to Cart button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.
Guys, this is how a high-converting store looks like. A nice-looking professional logo with an ad located on the right side. A well-formatted top navigation menu with a bunch of instant, ready-to-click hot topics to pick from, with a quick preview displayed right away by just hovering over the topic of your choice. With a search feature which lets you find any information you would like to see. With a really nice slider made up of highly attractive titles and images, with highly important data towards the conversion of a visitor, which is social proof. What about some breaking news titles preview? A high-converting store would also show a preview of different posts contained on each hot topic with bigger images, titles, descriptions, social proof, so people can be even more enticed to take a look. Popular posts as well for this week, this month, or all time. What about videos? People love videos as well. People also love to follow stuff on social media, so they should be able to do so on a high-converting store like this and give them as many options as you can. Show them recommended posts, random posts. Give them tags so they can find even more exactly what they would like to see on your awesome store. And what about voting pools? People love them very much. Quizzes. More topics. News, latest posts. And of course, a professional-looking, high-converting footer too. Well, but a store is made to make money, right? Yes, that is correct. This is why each and every product offer you see here should be linked into an affiliate ID. Like these ClickBank products you see here. Each and every one of them are already linked with my ClickBank affiliate information. Or these eBay products you see here. They are also linked into my eBay affiliate information. And the same with each and every product you can see on this entire store. Well, you might be thinking it took me a great deal of time building up this store, with all of these images, titles, descriptions, and adding an affiliate link to each and every one of these products. Also writing each and every single post as well as customizing the entire site from start to finish. Or you might be thinking I spent a heck of a lot of money to someone to do this for me. Well, let me tell you guys, it did not take a great deal of time building up this high-converting store. I did not pay anyone to build it up for me. In fact, I did it myself. And let me tell you, it took me just a couple of minutes setting this up from start to finish. And it took me just seconds setting up just one of these niche categories. And yes, I'm talking about all of it. Images, titles, descriptions, and even the affiliate links with my own affiliate ID. And the great news is that Wave has made it possible for you to do exactly the same as I did. You might be thinking I'm lying to you guys, right? But let me show you live how I did it, guys. It takes just seconds anyway. Let's go to the admin area. Start the clock, and let's create a new category. Let's now generate a 100% free RSS feed URL full of ClickBank products related to my category. Let's add our affiliate link, of course. Let's copy our profit-making affiliate RSS feed URL. Let's submit our profit-making affiliate RSS feed URL into our store. And that's it. I just created a profit-making category in under a minute full of ready-to-buy products, everyone linked with my affiliate ID. How cool is that? I didn't have to create a post. I didn't have to add any image. I didn't have to add any text. I didn't have to get into my affiliate dashboard either to get the affiliate links for each product. I didn't have to build each and every one of the affiliate links with my affiliate ID. And you can see my affiliate ID is correctly inserted into the sales page URL of the product. Imagine spending just a couple of minutes building many more money-making tabs like this on absolutely any niche. Guys, there isn't a faster way to set up a highly profitable store, even for affiliate profits. There are so many things you can do with Wave's Store Builder. In Home, you can preview your total posts, as well as pending, draft, and pending posts. Yes, you can schedule your posting too. You can also preview comments, contact messages, as well as registered users. In navigation, you can customize the menu items and add more menu links. You can add and edit pages. You can add posts in different formats. You can even upload posts in bulk. Here, you can also handle in what specific section of your store to show your posts. In RSS feeds is where the real magic lies. You can import as many RSS feeds of any kind to fill your store with the best information, including as many affiliate products as you want, from any affiliate platform of your choice, and with your own affiliate IDs. How cool is that? You can use categories and subcategories to organize the topics of your store. You can use widgets, polls, galleries, check contact messages, check comments. You can even set up a reward system to reward the best authors of your store too. Yes, guys, you can have other people do all the posting for you too and reward them for their traffic efforts. And you can also view a list of all the users of your store. And last but not least, you are able to SEO optimize your store with just a few clicks as well. And finally, we have a huge surprise for you too. Here in the members area, where you will be able to spread your store to up to 100 social channels. Here you have 100 sources, ready to generate 100% free buyer traffic in 60 seconds or less. Yes, we decided to over-deliver to you with Wave. And besides giving you a profitable store in as many niches as you want in just a couple of minutes, be able to send buyer traffic to it in just seconds at the same time. This is just terrific, guys. Guys, you have everything you need to succeed with a high-converting, profitable store. And we will even train you how to profit from it step by step. Yes, guys, we have created a special training where we will show you how to profit from Wave from start to finish. Guys, the sky is the limit. This is your choice. We've done our part to bring you something powerful and profitable. Now it's your turn to get access to it and profit from it, and we will grab you by the hand until you make it.